So you may have noticed that for some reason the Unlinked stopped working on Amazon Fire Stick devices. And today I'll show you the best alternative, which still does work on Amazon devices in 2026. So basically it is a different alternative app store which has similar content that Unlinked did. And there are all kinds of apps such as movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, and so on. And without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing app to your device. And the first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. To do so, we'll need to go to search. So we open the search bar and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it. And now here is that orange app, which you need to get to the device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you'll still need to set it up. To do so, we are going into settings. So here we are, open the settings on the Fire Stick. The next step is open My Fire TV. And from here, we'll need to turn on the developer options. But there is a problem. On some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, those developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options now. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go into the installation of the unknown apps, and in here we just need to locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we head back to a list of apps on your device, and there is Downloader, which we just got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Netherlands right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head straight back into Downloader on your device, open it, and then here at the top there's that search bar, which we need to use. And in here we need to enter a link, which will be AppLinked.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's AppLinked.store. So just enter the link as I do. And if you find it too fast, then don't worry, just pause the video and make sure to enter the link without making any mistakes. After that, we click next. and just wait for a couple of moments until this web page opens. Now from here, you need to click on the green download AppLinked button. So we just click on it and the download of the app has started. That literally took us just a couple of seconds. Then you click install and give it some time for the installation to finish. After that, don't click open yet, instead it's better to press done, because that way you get the option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So simply click delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on your device. Now the next step is we actually need to open settings one more time. So we go back to the settings right here, open them. Again, go into My Fire TV, then head to developer options, installation of the unknown apps. Just this time we are looking for AppLinked instead of downloader. So we are turning this option on. Why we do this is because we will also need to use AppLinked to get other applications from the internet. Now we get back to a list of applications, and here is AppLinked, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the on the middle button on your remote. So you hold it down and that menu on the right side will appear. Click on move to front. And just like that, the app will always be at the very beginning of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Then let's go and finally open it. Now here in the app, there's a couple ways to use it. So you can either scroll down and see different app categories such as live streamings, movies and TV shows, games, verified apps, utilities, as well as sports. So if you open any of those categories, let's say I'm interested in games, so I will open this one. Now here I just had to quickly blur my screen because of YouTube rules, but of course in your case it will not be blurred. But basically, if you open any of such categories, you'll only see the specified apps, so they will be filtered by that category. In my case, as I open games, I only see the games that can be installed on a Fire Stick. But alternatively, let's say you do not want to filter your applications. Instead, you want to see all of them, all the apps that are available in AppLinked. So if that is what you want to do, you would need to go into the public stores right here. Now again, I just blur my screen for the same reason as previously, and now the apps are not filtered by any category. So in here you see each and every application that is available inside. And there are all kinds of apps: movies, TV shows, live TV, live sports, media players, IPTV players, as well as all other kinds of applications. So if you did find my video helpful, make sure to hit the like button below. Actually, it does help me quite a lot. And as always, enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.